Greetings, traders out there in trader land. My name's Dez here, Grok Trade, your mentor and senior analyst. Taking a look here at the markets on this Wednesday, May 11th, 2011, and the market's down quite a bit here. We have Dow down 1%, more than that on the SP at 1.11%, and NASDAQ down almost a full percent, but the Russells take a big hit at 1.78% in negative territory. Banks down quite a bit. VIX pops 6.5%, and the US dollar up almost a full percent, which sends gold down almost a full percent. Silver takes a nosedive. Crude oil drops by 4.2%. That is huge. And let me tell on myself a little bit here. I went golfing today, and I entered this ZSL. Ordered 7 positions of it, put a trailing stop on it, left, and we were up about 8%. Loved everything I was seeing in market internals. Everything was lined up. It was a beautiful trade with little risk. And put the trailing stop on it, went golfing, and I have an Android smartphone, and it was keeping me abreast to that individual inverse ultra ETF against silver. And I thought I was up a gazillion dollars, and I come back and I saw that I stopped out actually for a loss. Oh, isn't that heartbreaking when you stop out right at the low? Everyone deals with that, and it doesn't matter how long you've been trading. I've been trading 13 years, and anyway, that's what happens. Now, yesterday, now let me blow a little sunshine at myself here. If you go to look at yesterday's video, you go in exactly 3 minutes and 7 seconds. 3 minutes and 7 seconds. It will talk to you about what we're seeing today. I said when you get this formation, when you drop, it chops around, you get these 2 up candlesticks. This next candlestick could be a gnarly, ugly, big red candlestick. That's precisely what we got today. Dow being down 130 points, 3 digits. That's significant. We drop down to this trend line. That's you'll see this trend line, this gray one right here, the swing low. Back in February or March, this is the March area, then we come up here into April, and we come up and we found that as a support area, and then we come back up closing right here at a horizontal line area, actually a little below it at 1340, and it looks like we closed right at 1342. So it's trying to make its way back. But the thing is look at this green line, this big fat one. This is the swing low, the most recent swing low. Those two connected. We did crack below that. If I look here at the spider, you're going to see some big volume on that damage that we received today. If we go to the futures, not as much. So it's something to watch. We could get a bounce. Now, what am I expecting going into tomorrow? Well, anything can happen here. We do see some relative weakness. It looks like this market's wanting to break down. However, we do have some big news events coming out pre-market tomorrow. We have the retail sales, and on top of that, we have the PPI. And we also have jobless claims for last week coming out, all happening on the same day, 1 hour before the markets open. That could send the markets one direction or the other. I'm expecting some volatility happen pre-market, and the markets will make their decision one way or the other going into tomorrow and ending out the week on Friday. Friday pre-market, we get the CPI, so we get some good indicators to what's going on with inflation, which is very important to us as traders. So anyway, so there we are. So we had several hundred sign up for last night's webinar. Appreciate all of you guys coming and joining us. And man, I can't even begin to tell you how many countries. I think we had about 50 countries represented here. So thank you for being a part and teaming up. Thank you for sharing us with your friends. A lot of you guys pass links around, share us with people that you're connected with online. I actually keep tabs of that stuff. I see those links that get distributed. Thank you so much. This is me tipping my hat to you in appreciation. Take care and safe trading. Looking forward to teaming up with you in a greater way as far as you becoming a greater and more savvy trader.